What's good, what's happening? It's your girl Sam Republic and welcome back to another video. So like it says in the title below, we are gonna do a bald cap method. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, Saint, and let's get into this video.
Whatever you do, just stay true and show passion. When you talk, be precise.
I took a flight for the paddock. You said, babe, you're so dramatic. I guess anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel so. I took a chance and you grabbed it. You said, don't worry, I got it. You said, you just make me.
What you're gonna need is a wig cap. Need some wig cap. A wig cap, basically something that is in your shade, or you can always tint it. You're gonna need some wig spray glue or whatever type of wig spray that holds, child, and then wig glue. I got me some bold hold here, not sure if it's the original one or not. A pair of scissors, and you're gonna need a rat tail comb. Alright, so first and foremost, we are going to slick those edges to the back. We're trying to get as much hair out of the way as possible because we don't want to ruin the hairline. Basically, I don't want to ruin my hairline, so please try and slick your edges back if you have any edges. If you're bald headed, you don't need to do the bald cap method, period. Okay, and then I'm just gonna slick it all the way back with some gel, and then I'm going to clean the surface of the area before I apply the glue. Alright, so right here I have my bald cap, basically like a pantyhose made for your head, and this is basically gonna give me a scalp effect, or like a fake scalp. Okay, I don't know really what's the purpose of this, but for some people it just helps give the illusion under your wig if your wigs are not bleached enough, or if you don't want your hairline to show, also depending on the lace of your wig, because I know a lot of people that have transparent lace wigs use the bald cap method. Okay, and sometimes this also helps in not ripping out your edges. You're just gonna spray some glue like a centimeter or two away from my hairline, because like I mentioned, I'm trying to save it. I did end up spraying a little bit on my sideburns, but I didn't end up ripping them out. So usually you're going to need about 2 layers of spray or 2 layers of glue, whichever you prefer. Now in this video I used spray and glue, which the hold was supposed to keep for like a week, but I took it off that same night, right? And you're going to want to blow dry it with the cool setting on your blow dryer. If you use the heat hot setting, it's not going to dry, and you just got to wait until it's tacky and dry before you cut the lace on this bald cap, or this cap basically. Right, so make sure you are drying the lace basically with the blow dryer on cool setting. If it is on a hot setting or warmer setting, it's not going to dry or get sticky at all, so make sure that it is on a cool setting. Alright, so once your lace is dry, you're going to want to cut holes in the ears, just so that you can have a proper perimeter and to cut off the excess lace off the wig, because you're not going to have off the bald cap or pantyhose, so that you're not going to have like this stucking on your head, and that you can properly adjust and cut accordingly. Right, so it's important that you use a sharp pair of scissors, sharp enough to cut the lace and sharp enough and blunt enough that you don't cut yourself. These were the closest scissors that I could find. They are my nephew's at-home school scissors basically, for when he has projects and stuff, because I couldn't find my scissors. But anyway, not the point. Try not to cut your lashes, try not to hurt yourself. Just go slowly, steadily right here. I could not stand how I looked in this video, because honestly it was kind of giving very realistic bald head vibes. Right, so here you're cutting off the excess lace, right? Those chunky pieces or extra pieces that you do not want left on your wig or on your hairline, right? And you can pull back to adjust, and so that you don't have any flappy ends or unnecessary pieces of lace sticking out when you do put on your wig. And this is a necessary part also, so that it doesn't peek out of your wig when you are applying the lace and cutting the lace of your wig as well. Alright, so I am going in next with my bold hold glue, and I'm just going to apply this on the edge layer of the lace, this way that I can stick my glue and that the wig will be able to hold and there's no moving or flappy edges on the lace, and then that my wig can stay down for like days or weeks. Right, so make sure that it dries until it's clear and sticky. Feel with the comb or your finger to make sure that it is sticky, and then you can put on the wig. So if the bold cap is a bit too ashy, you can add some powder or concealer, foundation, whatever you choose, in your shade, and just basically brush it on, especially on the edges of the lace, basically where the hairline is. That way it can blend seamlessly with your lace of your wig. Great guys, and that is how I do the bold cap method. Also, this is my first time doing a bold cap method. I have watched so many videos on YouTube, a lot, to the point where I'm kind of used to it right now.